Okay, so this is on Tanca Street. So I just talked to a guy, a musician, who's actually setting up for today, well, for tonight. And so he said basically, if you're in Old San Juan and you find Burger King and you just walk up the street from Burger King, walk straight up the street from Burger King on Tanca Street. So head up the hill on Tanca Street, and that's Calle de La Tanca, and here's a street party. So right now, I know it seems, it's a few people out there right now, but as it gets dark, this place gets live. So in actuality, the last time I was here, you could barely fit through the streets. And basically, it's just, musicians up here just partying, families, friends, just having a great party. And it's on Saturday and Sunday nights. That's what it is. I mean, it's food up here. Really, I mostly see people drinking, but it's food up here also. And the musician I talked to, he said basically, you come up Tanca Street and head towards the Atlantic Ocean. That's what you do. Okay, so I'm just walking through here, and maybe I'm gonna show you some night photos. If I can get up through here at nighttime. Okay, so as you can see, other places to eat through here, little restaurants, places to get something to drink. Okay, I think this is where the musicians set up, right through here. Okay, and like I said, come straight up Tanca Street. That's where the party is, but also, you can come out here, and it's, a nice ocean breeze. I mean, that's the one good thing right here. So it's a nice ocean breeze out here. Also, just another place to sit. Okay, that is the other thing, because I talked to the Uber driver last night, and he did mention La Perla. So I guess if you just tell somebody to, Uber or whoever, tell you to take you to La Perla, that's the other thing, the other way to get up here. Right. And as you can see, also the other big thing, I guess this is a thing for Old San Juan. I just know there's always a lot of traffic wherever you go around here. That's another reason why I just said I just choose not to rent a car while I'm here, because the issue can always be having to worry about. Okay, so you always have the issue of worrying about parking. And I've noticed throughout my day, people trying to park in tiny little spaces, not being able to park, they're just barely being able to squeeze in. I'm sure people driving around for a while just looking for a space. So that's the other thing. All right, so there you have it, Tanca Street. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk back down the street. This is Tanca Street. That's where the party is. Okay, so we'll walk back down this way. One thing I kind of noticed about these places, every place you see along here, these houses, very colorful houses. I mean, people actually live here, but where they don't just live here, there's people that have little businesses there through here also. And I'm not sure what the situation is, like whether they can just have a business or they have to have a certain permit. But like I said, I did notice one big thing is they just have businesses all through here. businesses and whoever's, you know, they're also living in these places also. Or like this place, this is just a little bar. There, I don't see anybody in there. I'm sure later on tonight it'll probably be pretty packed. Okay, and the prices seem reasonable. Margarita, $5. Rum punch, $4. Once again, another little bar there. Okay, another landmark I see here is this little Ferris wheel. Okay, like the guy said, there's the Burger King. Straight up that street.